Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today I wanted to give you guys an update of what's been going on with all of my repair orders and all the PSP stuff that I have ordered and all of the reshells and all the consoles that I'd like to sell on my website. Now, in the last, I would say 3-4 weeks or a couple of weeks, I haven't really checked on some of my suppliers who sell like the screens for PSP 2000s, Vita screens and batteries and things like that on AliExpress and Alibaba. But towards the end of April, I faced a lot of issues with inventory and pricing. A lot of this stuff skyrocketed in shipping, probably due to those tariff changes. I really don't look into the news or any changes like that. I should. Now that I'm starting this business, I should keep more of an eye out of things like that and changes of pricing and all the new laws that are coming into effect. But there was so many problems trying to get parts in. Like, for example, these are the CMOS batteries that are replacement batteries for the battery that's located on the back of the motherboard for a PSP 1000. What that does is essentially gets rid of that problem where if your PSP powers down and you have to reset the time and date, this will solve that problem, because those batteries are old and that's what that battery does. It holds that kind of sensitive information, and if your battery is dead, then you'll constantly have to re-enter your date and time, which is kind of annoying. And it also helps with power related issues. Now, I was not able to complete this PSP 1000 resale project until I got those batteries and replaced that battery on the back of the motherboard. And that is something that the customer ordered, and that's something I wanted to commit to make sure that they had a brand new battery in their console. But this took like a month to get in. It was crazy how long it takes to get some of this overseas stuff now, with all the different changes. And I see that some of the pricing finally went down, because when I last checked for some of these screens, they were not able to ship it to where I'm at, and here in Minnesota, USA. And some of them, they were asking like almost $100 for shipping, which was way crazy. Like it was insane how the pricing just went up and everything kind of closed down for several weeks. So that was the biggest issue that I had, and there's still a lot of customers that are waiting for me to reshell, and I'm still waiting for parts to come in. Like, I finally got one shell for a customer that's been waiting since the beginning of April. Like, I finally got that shell in, and it just kind of put a lot of projects on pause. And then I made some other commitments, and then those commitments came, I was working on those commitments, and then now the parts came in, so I have to still hold on off of that to complete those commitments that I made. And it's just been kind of a crazy juggling of everything. But I've been having a lot of fun, and I just wanted to give you guys an update of what's been going on. And I got a lot of orders that are going to be shipping out today. I'm so happy that I finally got a good day to just sit down and get everything complete. Another big problem that I've been having, which I hope I'm not the only one, but I have a customer that sent in a PSP 2000 to get their LCD replaced. Now, I thought this was going to take, a day or two, but this actually took me 3 weeks to complete. Why? Because all of the new parts that I kept getting in were bad. They had so many different defects, and I don't know why these sellers would send me a defective part. And not only that, I was not able to complete this other PS Vita, which this customer ordered a white screen replacement, and that was another issue in itself. And this one still is giving me some problems where I had to glue it down, and there's still a lot of things that I have to do on this console. But these aftermarket parts are just not what they seem to be. It feels like you just want to stick with OEM and not even mess with aftermarket parts. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update of what I've been kind of going through in the last several weeks. And it's been a little difficult, but I'm managing it as much as I can and hoping to, get some more repair orders. I got some awesome PS3s that I have to work on. I'll be replacing a HDMI port here very soon. I'm so excited and hyped to get that done. And jailbreak one and modify the hard drive. So that's going to be extra fun. So thank you all so much for watching and for being with me. And if you guys have any project that you'd like to get done, let me know. Email me. Check out my website in the description down below. And if you have any questions, just email and I'll give you the details or quote you on anything you need done. So that is it for this one, guys. Take care and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.